Hey everyone, today I want to show you a nifty trick that will show you your entire formula, the entire text, which makes things easy if you have a lot of different formulas in different workbooks or cells. Easy to just kind of see what's going on. I've got some formulas here for some sum if functions that are kind of summing up some sales data in this table here. Let's say, hey, I want to see what's going on. All you have to do is equals formula text. You'll see it'll pop up there. We can just hit tab. And then you can just click on this cell and then you close parentheses there. And that's going to go ahead and give us our formula. And this is great if you're seeing there's discrepancies. For example, we've got this Midwest location. There's nothing that's generating here though. So red flag, what's going on? All the others are showing correctly. We can see in Midwest there should be sales data here available. So what we can do, we can just drag that down. So now it's going to capture this cell. We can easily compare the two formulas to try and figure out what's going on. And we can see with the sum ifs, okay, so we can see the discrepancy here is that one is pulling column C and the other one here is pulling column E. So we can go here and see, oh, column E, that's a mistake. We need column C. We can change that to our column C's here. And there we go, looks to fix it. So very easy. These again are very simple formulas, but makes things a lot easier if you have long and more complicated formulas to identify what might be going on and see what is going on in the entirety of that formula. So again, I found this to be helpful in my own career in Excel and using this little trick. So I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.